talk about the pollution levels in the national capital regions because in the midst of the soaring AQI levels and the toxic smog engulfing Delhi NCR, Cabinet Minister Kapil Mishra has announced a major decision by the Delhi government. So from tomorrow, 50% work from home will be mandatory for all government and private institutions. The Delhi government will also provide a compensation of 10,000 rupees to registered construction workers affected by the work stoppage under GRAP 3, and those who do not comply with the rules will face fines. Currently, GRAP 4 is in effect in Delhi. Earlier, during GRAP Stage 3, construction work in the city remained shut for 16 days. And due to GRAP 4, construction activities are again affected, impacting construction workers and also daily wage laborers. Payments under GRAP 3 will be transferred directly into the workers' accounts through DBT, and this support will continue even after GRAP 4 ends. The thousands of construction workers will be affected, viewers, as construction activities have been stopped in light of the deteriorating air quality in the national capital and also the surrounding regions as well. So what we understand is that the government has announced 10,000 rupees compensation for these workers, and this particular amount will be directly transferred to the workers' accounts. And only registered construction workers will be entitled to the compensation. And meanwhile, on the other hand, the government has also mandated 50% work from home for all government and private institutions. Failing to follow these orders, hefty fines will be imposed against the violators.
आज श्रम मंत्रालय ये निर्देश जारी कर रहा है सभी प्रतिष्ठानों के लिए, दिल्ली के सरकारी और प्राइवेट सभी प्रतिष्ठानों में कल से मैक्सिमम केवल 50% अटेंडेंस अलाउ होगी। बाकी 50% लोगों को वर्क फ्रॉम होम ये मैंडेटरी सभी प्रतिष्ठानों को देना होगा। ये हम लोग कल से लागू करने जा रहे हैं। दिल्ली के जो भी सरकारी हों या प्राइवेट हों, बिजनेस हैं, ऑफिसेस हैं, सभी को मैक्सिमम केवल 50% आपकी फिजिकल अटेंडेंस ये आप रखें और बाकी 50% लोगों को आप वर्क फ्रॉम होम ये कल से तुरंत लागू करें। इसके लिए हम लोग आज श्रम विभाग के द्वारा एडवाइजरी जारी की जा रही है और डायरेक्शंस जारी की जा रही हैं।
Viewers, that was the major announcement made by Cabinet Minister Kapil Mishra, who has said that the Delhi government has decided to ensure that from tomorrow onwards, 50% of professionals will have to be working from home, whether they work for a government or office or a private institution. The rule applies to each and every person, and 10,000 rupees compensation will be given to all those construction workers whose work has been stalled because of the GRAP measures in light of the deteriorating air quality.